Shipping containers can be combined in different configurations to create amazing modern homes. In this video, we bring to you a modern two-bedroom house from 3 shipping containers located in Oregon, United States, built by Relevant Homes. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container home. Welcome back. This 760 square foot house is a brand new shipping container home in Oregon, crafted with exceptional attention to detail by Oregon-based container homes company called Relevant Homes. This modern home is built using 3 shipping containers. 2 containers are placed side by side and stitched together to accommodate an open plan living, and the 3rd container is connected perpendicularly to the 2 modules to accommodate the bedrooms, a bathroom, and a laundry room. The containers are elevated off the ground away from moisture, sitting on a concrete foundation. The house has a sheltered entrance porch facing the main street. A white framed glass door opens into an open plan living area. The inner container walls are cut out to create expansive open plan living, which accommodates a chef's quality kitchen fitted with high-end appliances, adequate custom designed under the counter and overhead storage cabinets, quartz countertops, and the kitchen sink sits in front of a large glass window. The glass window lights up the sink space and floods the kitchen with natural light. The space in front of the kitchen is fitted with a big bay window, spacious enough to accommodate a dining table. The remaining space in the living room accommodates the lounge area. The lounge space is roomy enough to accommodate all your furniture, and the living room is fitted with large glass windows and doors, which not only offers better ventilation but also increases the perceived space inside the house. The living room has floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors which open onto a wooden deck facing the rear of the building. The entire floor of the house is finished with hardwood flooring, which gives the home a sleek, modern look. A passage of the kitchen area leads to the private section of the house, accommodating a spacious bathroom, a laundry room, and 2 spacious bedrooms. A well-designed wooden barn door opens into a laundry alcove with a stacked washer and dryer. A well-crafted barn door opens into a lavish bathroom, which features a fully tiled shower stall, a toilet, a vanity with enough storage cabinets, and a wall-mounted bathroom mirror. On the opposite ends of the bathroom are 2 bedrooms of the house. The bedrooms are big enough to accommodate a double bed plus adequate wardrobe space. Both bedrooms have pull-out bay sections to accommodate the bed with enough space to move around the bedroom. The bedrooms are also fitted with big windows for adequate daylighting and cross ventilation. The interior of the container was framed out, insulated, and lined with plasterboard, and therefore none of the corrugated container walls that dominate the exterior are evident anywhere on the inside. The interior walls are painted in light colors to make the spaces look brighter and create an illusion of a large indoor space. The wooden ceiling beams in the living room are left exposed to create a warm and rustic ambience in the house. The living room opens onto a sun-soaked deck, a perfect spot from which to fully appreciate the stunning vistas and enjoy the warm evenings. From outside, There's no secret that this is a shipping container house. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, emphasizing the industrial style of the house. The containers are primed out and painted a fresh coat of anti-corrosive paint to create a modern exterior. A steel mesh is welded on the exterior on selected areas to allow for climbing plants to grow on the exterior walls. The house has large openings which creates a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to the landscape. The green landscaping around the building helps soften the industrial vibe of the design. The creative use of basic materials like shipping containers to build this amazing modern home makes it to stand out from the street. This house is listed for sale for $325,000 US. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. We love everything about this amazing container home, especially the high quality workmanship both inside and out. Which part of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on our YouTube channel on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you are new, welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. For the regulars, thank you for your support. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion by posting in the comment section below, and feel free to share this video. If you want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and remember to click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. If you have a shipping container project or a container rental, you can have it featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. Kindly get in touch on our website sheltermode.com or contact us at Sheltermode on all social media pages. Without further ado, let's get started.